Hi guys, so this is me trying to make some yummy egusi soup. Yeah, so this is me trying to this is my ingredients, my goat meat, my stockfish, my tribe, my smoked fish, my crawfish. Yeah, everything. I smoked fish. Yeah, I like to smoke fish myself. So this everything. Let's get started. I added everything on the pot, try to cook. So I use my pressure cooker to cook it very fast. Before some minutes everything is done. Pele, 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 pele. Yes, so mixed everything together and cook. Yeah, so soup, I don't add too much ingredients on the soup. Yeah, so the meat is set to cook with my pressure cooker. This pressure cooker is one in town. So this me blending my egusi with the baby girl on my back. She was crawling all over me, so I have to carry her on my back to cook. So this my pot on the fire with my red oil. Look at that red oil. So this is the egusi. I've already mixed it on the plate. Add it to fry. I like to fry my egusi very well, right? Before I add some stuff on it. So this is the egusi. It's already fried. Added my little stock in there to mix it. Yeah, so this is it. It's done. So I go in with all my meat. Going with the meat. See, it's already done. So I put the stock in there. Pour the meat. The meat even overcooked on the pressure cooker. Yeah, so came back to check on it. Add my smoked fish. I already debone. I think I didn't debone it very well, but I deboned it. So this is it. Everything is coming together. Yeah, look at that. So this is my blended crawfish. I added some when I was blending the egusi a little bit. So this is the blended crawfish on the soup. Look at how the soup looking so yummy, so beautiful, so yum yum. Anyways, so this me trying to stir everything together, right? So to allow to cook, I came back and check again, add some salt, yeah, to taste. Also add some cube on it. I added cube when I was cooking the stock, the meat, so I only added one here. I don't want it to be too bre. You guys know what I'm talking about. So yeah, so everything is coming together. It's me coming to check again. It's bubbling, 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 bubbling. Yeah, look at that soup. I'm seeing some bone in there, so I go in with my, what they call it, my uziza leaf. Yeah, my dry uziza leaf. So yeah, that's what I added. I also added some spinach. Yeah, a little bit frozen spinach. Yeah, this is it. I added. I don't like too much vegetable on my egusi soup. I don't know why. I just like to make it light. Yeah, so this is it. Allowed to cook. Came back again and stirred together. Voila! Look at that soup. See how beautiful and shiny it is. The soup is almost done. Done. It's already done, not almost. So once I add the spinach, it's done. So I'm wearing my neck full mount to film it. You can see if I move my body, it's moving a little bit. But I like this mount. Very simple and easy, very light on your neck. So I got it from TikTok shop. Yeah, it helps me to cook with these big pots. When I put my tripod stand, it doesn't zoom or show the deep pot because the pot is very deep. Yeah, so I like the neck full mount. So this is it. Ooh, look at that soup. How does it look, guys? Very yummy, very delicious. It was very sweet. Everybody ate and they liked it. Yeah. So this one I scoop on the plate and left the little one on the pot for us to eat. So this is me saying hi to you guys. You see the neck full mount on my neck.